Hi guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do part one of a three-part series about my July planners. So in today's video, we're going to go through my hourly Erin Condren life planner, talk about what worked, what didn't work, my favorite planner spreads, your favorite planner spreads, and I will be following up this video with two more videos, one on a flip through of my daily duo life planner, which will come out on Friday, and then the other one will be my memory planner. So stay tuned. This is part one. So let's go ahead and jump in. So July was my first month using the hourly Erin Condren life planner and using it in the way that I currently am using it, which is purely as a week at a glance. Let's lay everything out there. And I use it as a reference point on my desk every single day. I bought like a cookbook stand that sits on my desk that I can lay it out and keep it displayed all day long. I don't make updates to it during the week. I lay it out over the weekend, put everything in there, and then just use it as a reference point throughout the week. So let's start on the monthly layout and talk about that, and then we'll talk about the individual weeks, which I just flipped through. So I'm really bad. I'm not a good user of the monthly layout. I really like setting it up. It's like my favorite thing to set up because I think it looks so good when it's all done, but then I never use it anymore. What I do use it for very diligently is to track when my son's daycare tuition is due and when I have to pay credit cards. That's about the only thing I use it for. I write like one or two other things in it, but I just like the theme to be really consistent. So I pick a Planner Kate full kit that I really like, and this month I think there were two of them, and I decided on this one to use. Then the next week of the month I use the same kit that matches the monthly kit. So in this case it was a July 4th kit from Planner Kate, and all of the kits that I used in my hourly planner this month were all Planner Kate, and I continue to do that into August and plan on September as well. It's a month by month situation currently, but I think I'm leaning towards Planner Kate for the whole year unless something changes. So this week I tried to do something like keep track of my YouTube videos. Let's see if I can try to keep track of my YouTube videos and my Instagram posts, but I just found myself not reaching for it. So I kind of tried different things every single week. This kit is Planner Kate 233, and it's her July 4th kit. I also have been trying to use the sidebar to do this week, next week, or weekly goals, or don't forget, and things like that. So that was this spread. This spread I thought was so pretty, but I had like nothing going on, and I tried to do the YouTube videos and then like sort of failed at it again. So I kind of stopped doing that after this week, but it was a slower week than the previous week, but I really liked seeing that big picture of what's going on. So this was Planner Kate 231. This is just one of my favorite Planner Kate kits. It's actually a Mother's Day kit, but you could never tell by looking at it. It had a sticker that went here that said Happy Mother's Day, but I just didn't use it. This was a crazy week with so many meetings. So I loved having on my desk the sort of week at a glance view. Still tried with the YouTube videos, still failed. Okay, now this is a week that I actually didn't film. One thing that was requested in my planner stack video was that I show kits other than Planner Kate. So this week I did my planner, my Plan With Me in my other hourly, which has this Chrissy Ann design kit in it, which I really liked, but this is what the week actually looked like in my hourly planner. I love this kit. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so that was Planner Kate Kit 230. And that's it. That's the end of the 4 weeks in July. I'm really impressed that I stuck with the same thing every single week. So let's talk about which ones I loved and which ones I didn't love so much. So this one's probably my least favorite, which is ironic because when I tallied up on Instagram which one was like viewers' favorite, so to speak, it was this one. I think next year for 4th of July, I just need to not do a 4th of July kit. It just doesn't do a lot for me, and I didn't love that I used it for the monthly spread, but whatever, it was a week. We all moved on. In terms of my favorite kit for the month, I would say probably this kit is my favorite. It basically has all my favorite colors minus a little bit of gray. I love navy pinks and grays. And I just love this. I also love that at this point in the month, I had so many script stickers that I didn't need to write a whole lot in it. So I was able to use script stickers for basically everything in here. So I loved that. This one's probably a close second. I think I really enjoyed all the kits except for that July 4th kit. So then thinking forward to August about what I would like to change, I would really like to experiment with what to put in this sidebar. I just can't really get anything to work. I don't use my planner a lot during the week, aka I don't like write in it a lot during the week. I leave it up and use it as a reference point. So having these on the sidebar, I'm just not using them. So I need to find a different way, something different to track. And maybe it's that at the end of the week, I just put a picture from the week or something, or write something, pull something from my memory planner. I don't know, but that sidebar to me is totally wasted. And I experimented with putting a box there or not putting a box there, and I just never really gotten a good flow. The other thing that I would like to start doing is somehow tracking my morning and evening routine in here, whether that be adding some check boxes so I can check those things off to try to force me to use this more on a day-to-day basis. But my system's working really well with me for me right now, leaving it open on my desk all week long. So I don't really want to break something that isn't broken, but something just to use up more of the space. So all right, that is part 1 of my July flip through. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all 4 of my spreads for July, and I hope you tune back on Friday to see my daily duo entire month of July. But in the meantime, I'll have some other videos before we get to Friday. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Have a good one. Bye.